Learning English through movies and TV shows is a fun and engaging way to improve your language skills. Here's how. 1. Contextual learning. Watching movies and TV shows provides context to language learning. You see how words, phrases, and grammar are used in real-life situations. 2. Vocabulary building. You're exposed to new words, phrases, and idioms in context, making them easier to remember. 3. Pronunciation practice. Listen to native speakers and practice pronunciation by repeating phrases and sentences. 4. Cultural insight. Movies and TV shows offer a window into Western culture, helping you understand nuances and references. 5. Active listening. Improve your listening skills by focusing on dialogue and conversations. 6. Relaxed learning. Learning English through entertainment is enjoyable and stress-free. To maximize learning, try watching with subtitle. In English, taking notes on new vocabulary and phrases, repeating phrases and sentences out loud, discussing plots and characters with friends or online communities, choosing shows and movies with diverse accents and dialects, by incorporating movies and TV shows into your English learning routine. You'll improve your language skills while being entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to English Planet and click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest language learning tips, tricks, and resources. Join our community and take your English skills to the next level.